Hi there, I'm Miss Ashley, and thank you for tuning in to Hernando Fit Kids. That was my fun Hernando Fit Kid dance. So I'm out and about today, and today I'm going to talk to you about nutrition, and I am having a yummy salad. Can you see all those good things in there? There's onion, there's tomato, and then of course lettuce and spinach and all types of yummy things. I even have walnuts and grilled chicken. To wash it all down, I chose water. So I'm going to finish my salad, and then I'll come back and talk to you a little bit more about ways you can incorporate fruits and vegetables into your day too. Yum yum. Now, your dietary needs may be different, so as a reminder, make sure you ask your parents about this, or if you have any questions, make sure you speak with your doctor, because this is not medical advice. This is just general information. Just a little reminder there. That salad was so good. I'm all done now, and I'm back to talk with you a little bit more about being a Hernando Fit Kid. So in our program, we're going to tell you about two different things. I'm going to be talking about nutrition today and eating healthy, and some other videos you'll watch will talk more about getting exercise and staying active, because they go hand in hand. And as a reminder, drinking water and staying hydrated is super important, and making sure that you're eating a balanced diet helps you to be healthy and strong as you grow up. So what we're going to do, I have this handy dandy board. And wait, do I have any colored markers? Hold that thought. All right, I'm back with one of my favorite colors, green, and my handy dandy board. And so I want to write down a few things, like what's my favorite fruit. So I'm going to write down my favorite fruit, and I want you to be thinking of what your favorite is too. Persimmon. Have you ever had a persimmon before? They are orange and they're a little bit small, but they're very tasty, and you can get them right now. They're in season, so the next time you go to the grocery store, maybe you'll see a persimmon. Okay, let's think about favorite vegetables. My favorite vegetable is... What's your favorite? This is my favorite. I really like string beans. They're delicious. So I wanted us to get into the thought of some of those things that we do like, because it's important to include all of the basic food groups in our meals every day. Do you know what the 5 food groups are?
Fruits, vegetables, grains, protein, and dairy.
I have a great coloring book here. It says eat right and eat healthy. And I haven't had the chance to color in it yet, but it talks about the 5 basic food groups. So let's take a look. The first one, fruit and vegetables group. Make half of your plate vegetables and fruits.
Vary your choices every day.
So I also have this plate. As you can see in that book, it said that 1/2 of your plate should be your fruits and vegetables. Okay, let's go to the next page and talk about that too. The next thing in my coloring book is the protein group. So do you know what some different types of proteins are? Proteins can be chicken, fish, soybeans, different types of beans. There are many ways you can get protein. I'm guessing this is supposed to be a drumstick. The next group that's here are our grains group. So, and let me show you on our plate. So 1/4 of your plate should be protein, and then 1/4 should be your grains. So what are grains? This is our grains group. You should make at least half of your grains whole grains. The next group I want to tell you about is the dairy group. So, do you know what types of things are dairy products? Milk, cheese, those are both dairy products. Yogurt. And did you know that dairy products can help your bones and teeth grow nice and strong? And make sure that you're brushing daily and flossing too, 2 times a day. All right, let's have a dance break. Do you know how to dab? Okay, had to have a quick dance break. Dance breaks are okay, at least when you're with Miss Ashley. So this is what your plate should look like. You can also visit choosemyplate.gov or ask your parent to visit choosemyplate.gov so that you can learn more about what your plate should look like, which is pretty much like this. To drink, choose water. It really keeps you hydrated. If you have to choose something other than water, or if you want a special treat, it's also a good idea to choose milk. Milk can be very healthy for you, as long as you're not having it in excess. And you can talk with your parents about just how much is too much for you. But then fruit juice. So some people say, oh, well, if it's 100% fruit juice, it's okay. But really, fruit juice has a lot of sugar. So you can either not have that much fruit juice, only have it on occasion. Another good idea is to add water to your fruit juice to kind of stretch it out, and you won't get as much sugar. Here's a pledge in this particular book. It's called Eat Right, Eat Healthy. So I would say I, Miss Ashley, will try and eat a healthy, balanced diet every day. I'll also make certain to get plenty of exercise and rest to grow up healthy. Now repeat after me, but you can say your name. I will try and eat a healthy, balanced diet every day. I'll also make certain to get plenty of exercise and rest. I want to grow up healthy. Well, thank you so much for tuning in, and I am so happy that you're a Hernando Fit Kid. Have a great day.